Today we discuss on a topic boat and stream. Now we see the examples here. A man takes 3 hours 45 minutes to row a boat 50 km downstream of a river and 2 hours 30 minutes to cover a distance 5 km upstream. Find the speed of the river current in kilometer per hour. Firstly, we find speed of boat downstream. We find speed of the boat. Speed of the boat downstream. Here, at the downstream, cover 15 kilometer distance. Distance is 15 kilometer. Here, distance is 15 kilometer, and total time is 3 hours 45 minutes. Means 3 hours plus 45 divided by 60 hours. Here minute is converted into hours. Then 14 14 4 here remain is 3 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 3 4 12 plus 3 15 by 4. Then here distance covered is 15 kilometer and time required is 15 by 4 hour. Then speed of the boat downstream is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 15 kilometer and your time is 15 divided by 4. Here we write 15 into 4 by 15. 15 get cancelled. Then downstream speed is 4 kilometer. Here downstream speed, boat of speed downstream is 4 kilometer per hour. Here your speed is 4 kilometer per hour. Downstream speed is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. 4 kilometer per hour. We find upstream speed. Here we find upstream speed. Boat of the speed upstream. Here upstream covers up 5 kilometer in 2 hours 30 minutes. Covers distance 5 kilometer. Covers distance is 5 kilometer. And total time required to cover this distance. Is 2 hours plus 30 minutes means half hours. Total time is 2 the 4 plus 1 5 divided by 2. Then upstream speed is total distance is 5 divided by total time. Time is 5 by 2. Here we write 5 into 2 by 5. 5 get cancelled. Then upstream speed, boat upstream speed is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. Here upstream speed is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. Find the speed of the current means speed of the stream. Then speed of the stream is equal to speed of stream or speed of current. Speed of the stream is equal to downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Downstream speed is 4. Upstream speed is 2 divided by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 kilometer per hour. Then your speed of current is 1 kilometer per hour. Then your speed of current is 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour. Now next, a boat covers 1 kilometer downstream in 10 minutes and 4 kilometer upstream in 1 hour. Then what is the speed of current? Speed of current or speed of stream? Or speed of stream. Here, first we find downstream speed. Speed of boat downstream. Speed of the boat downstream is at a downstream 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes means 10 by 60 hours. That is 1 by 6 hour. 1 by 6 hours. Then downstream speed is 1. Total distance is 1. Divided by total time is 1 by 6. 6 here come. 6 kilometer per hour. Your downstream speed is 6 kilometer per hour. We find upstream speed. Both of speed upstream. Speed of boat upstream. Here 4 kilometer. Distance is 4 kilometer and take 1 hour. Then speed of boat upstream is 4 kilometer per hour. Speed of boat upstream is 4 kilometer per hour. Then downstream speed is 6 kilometer per hour. Upstream speed is 4 kilometer per hour. We find the speed of current. Means speed of stream. We find speed of the stream. Here speed of stream is equal to downstream speed minus upstream speed. Downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Your downstream speed is 6. Upstream speed is 4 divided by 2. 6 minus 4 is 2 divided by 2. It is equal to 1 kilometer per hour. Then your speed of current is 1 kilometer per hour. Your speed of the current is 1 kilometer per hour. Now next. A sailor can draw a boat 48 kilometer downstream in 4 hours and speed of the stream is 5 kilometer per hour. Speed of the stream is 5 kilometer per hour. Then how much time will he take? To cover a distance of 8 kilometer? To cover a distance of 8 kilometer upstream. To cover a distance of 8 kilometer upstream. Here firstly we find downstream speed. Downstream speed. Speed of boat downstream. Then boat take 48 kilometer. Total distance is 48 kilometer. Total time is 4 hours. Then speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. That is 12 kilometer per hour. 12 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of boat downstream. Speed of boat downstream. Now here we find the speed of boat upstream. We find speed of the boat upstream. Here given speed of the stream is 5 km per hour. Here given is speed of the stream is 5 km per hour. Then downstream speed still water, speed in still water, speed of boat in still water, speed of boat in still water, and speed of boat upstream. Speed of boat upstream. Here downstream speed is 12 km per hour. 12 km per hour. Then speed of boat in still water is -5. Here 12 minus 5 is 7. Then speed of boat upstream is -5 is 2 km per hour. 2 km per hour. Upstream is 2 km per hour. Here downstream speed is 12. Your speed upstream is 5 km per hour. Then 12 minus 5 is 7. Then speed of boat in still water is 7. Then -5 is 2 km per hour. This is the speed of upstream. Speed of boat upstream. Here upstream speed is 2 km per hour. Then how much time will taken to cover a distance of 8 km upstream? Then total distance is 8 and upstream speed is 2. Then total time required is 4 hours. Total time required is 4 hours. Then total time required is 4 hours. Your upstream speed is 2 km per hour and distance covered is 8 km. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then 4 hours required to cover a 8 km upstream. Your answer is 4 hours. Now next. A sailor can draw a boat 65 km downstream in 5 hours. If the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour, then how much time will he take to cover a distance of 28 km? Distance of 28 km upstream. Here sailor can draw a boat 65 km downstream in 5 hours. Here we find speed of boat downstream. Speed of boat downstream is equal to total distance is 65 km, total hour is 5. Then 13 km per hour. Then your downstream speed is 13 km per hour. Then speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. Then how much time will taken to cover the distance 28 km upstream? Here we find upstream speed. Then downstream speed. Then speed of boat in still water. And then upstream speed. Your downstream speed is 13 km per hour. Then speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. Then speed of the boat in still water is 10 km per hour. Per hour. Then 10 minus 3 is 7. Then upstream speed of the boat upstream is 7 km per hour. Speed of the boat upstream is 7 km per hour. Then here time required to cover a distance 28 km upstream. Here your upstream speed is 7 km per hour and distance covered is 28. Then time required, time is equal to distance. Total distance is 28 kilometer, and speed upstream speed. Here boat goes upstream. Then we divide total distance by upstream speed. 4 hours. Then time required to cover a 28 kilometer distance upstream is 4 hours. Is 4 hours. Now next. Say speed of the boat downstream. Speed of the boat downstream is 150 more than the speed upstream. More than its speed upstream. If time taken by the boat for going 80 km downstream and 50 km upstream is 8.2 hours. Is 8.2 hours. Then what is the speed of the boat downstream? Here. Then what is the speed? Then what is the speed of the boat downstream? Here, speed of the boat downstream is 150% more than speed upstream speed. Here downstream speed. Speed of the downstream speed of the boat downstream is 150% more than the speed upstream. Here speed upstream is 100, then your downstream speed is 150% more. That is 250. That is your proportion is 0 get cancelled. 5:2. Then speed upstream speed is 5. Downstream speed is 5, upstream speed is 2. Here, downstream speed take 5x, downstream speed take 5x, and upstream speed takes 2x. Upstream speed takes 2x, downstream speed is 5x. Now here, time taken by the boat going 80 km downstream. Here, time taken by boat going 80 km downstream and 50 km upstream is 8.2. Total time is 8.2. Then time required for boat to going 80 km downstream is 80 divided by downstream speed is 5x. 80 divided by downstream speed is 5x, and time required to cover 50 km upstream is 50 divided by upstream speed. 50 divided by upstream speed. Total hour is equal to 8.2 means 82 divided by 10. Total time required is 8.2 hours means 82 divided by 10. Here we write here x 16 divided by x plus 25 divided by x is equal to 82 divided by 10. Addition of these two is 16 plus 25. 41 divided by x is equal to 82 into 10. 82 into 10. Now we solve this. 82 into 10. We solve 41 divided by x is equal to 82 divided by 10. 41 divided by x is equal to 82 divided by 10. Here we write 41 into 10 divided by 82 is equal to x. Then 41 the 40, 42 the 82. 2 1 the 2, 2 5 the 10. Then x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Your value of x is equal to 5. Then you are find the speed of the boat downstream. Downstream speed of the boat is here 5x. Your value of x is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Then your speed of the boat downstream is 25 km per hour. 25 km per hour. Now next. The speed of the boat downstream is 200% more than the speed of the speed upstream. Its speed upstream. Speed of the boat downstream is 200% more than its speed upstream. If the time taken by the boat for going 60 km downstream, if the time taken by the boat for going 60 km downstream and 40 km upstream is 12 hours, then what is the speed of the boat downstream? What is the speed of the boat downstream? Here there are two speed, downstream speed and upstream speed. Downstream speed and upstream speed. Speed of the boat downstream is 20% more than upstream speed. Here upstream speed is 100, then downstream speed is 200% more than the 100, that is 300. Then ratio of this 3:1. Then speed, downstream speed is 3, upstream speed is 1. Then downstream speed is 3x, upstream speed is 1x. This ratio is 3:1. Then downstream speed is 3x, upstream speed is 1x. Here, then what is total time? The time taken by the boat for going 60 km downstream and 40 km upstream is total 12 hours. Then we write total distance downstream, distance covered downstream distance is 60 km divided by downstream speed. Here downstream speed is 3x. Here upstream distance is 40 divided by upstream speed is x is equal to 12 hours. 3 1 is 3 2 is 3. Then 20x plus 40 divided by x is equal to 12. Then addition of this 60 divided x is equal to 12. Then 60 upon 12 is equal to x. Then value of x is equal to 5. Your value of x is equal to 5. Here 5 divide x, here multiple. 60 divided by 12 is 5. Then speed, here we find downstream speed. Downstream speed is 3x. Your downstream speed is 3x. Then you write 3 into 15 is 45. Sorry, 3 into 5. 15 km per hour. Then your downstream speed is 15 km per hour. Your downstream speed is 15 km per hour. The speed of motor boat is that of current. Speed of the motor boat is that of current of water as 36:5. The boat goes downstream in 5 hours 10 minutes. Boat goes downstream in 5 hours 10 minutes. How much time will take to cover to come back? How much time will take to come back? Here given the speed of motor boat is that of current of water is. Here speed of boat is still water and speed of current means speed of stream. Here given speed of boat is still water to speed of stream. Then speed of the boat in still water is 36 and speed of the current is 5. Here speed of the boat in still water is 36x and speed of the current is 5x. Now here boat goes downstream in 5 hours 10 minutes. Boat goes downstream in 5 hours 10 minutes. Then how much time will take come back? Here downstream speed is, here we find upstream speed and downstream speed. Firstly, here speed of the boat in still water and speed of the stream. Here we find downstream speed of boat downstream. And speed of the boat upstream. Speed of the boat downstream is equal to addition of speed of the boat still water and speed of the stream. That is 41x. Addition of these two is speed of the boat downstream, and speed of the boat upstream is subtraction of these two. That is 31x. That is 31x. Then speed of the boat upstream is 41x. Speed of the boat downstream is 30x. Then boat goes downstream in 5 hours 10 minutes. Boat goes downstream in 5 hours 10 minutes. Then in 5 hours 10 minutes means how many hours? 5 hours 10 minutes. 5 hours 10 minutes means 5 hours plus 10 by 60. This is converted into hours. That is 1 by 6. 31 by 6 hours. 31 by 6 hours. Then 5 hours 10 minutes is 31 by 6 hours. 31 by 6 hours. Here, then boat goes downstream in 5 hours 10 minutes. 5 hours 10 minutes means downstream speed is 41x and total time is 31 divided by 6 hours. Then distance covered is 5 hours 10 minutes means 31 divided by 6 hours. Downstream is equal to total hours, distance is equal to time into speed. Speed into time. Your downstream speed is 41x and your time is 31 divided by 6. There x into x divided by 6. This is your distance. Distance called in 31 divided by 6 hour time stream is 41 into 31 into 41 into 31 into x divided by 6. Then time required. Then how much time will take come back? Here distance is same. Boat goes and come back. Then distance called upstream is same distance. Upstream distance called upstream is same distance. upstream speed, your upstream speed of the boat is 31x. Your upstream speed of the boat upstream is 31x. Then here write 31 into x. 31 get cancelled, x get cancelled. Then time is equal to distance upon speed is equal time is equal to distance upon speed. Here distance is 31 into 30x into x divided by 6, and your upstream speed is 31x. Here upstream speed is 31x. 31 get cancelled, x get cancelled. Remain is 41 divided by 6. 41 divided by 6 means 5 by 6. Then time required to cover a distance is 5 by 6. Now next, speed of the motor boat is that of current of water is 13:2. The boat goes downstream in 3 hours. How much time will take to come back? Here given boat of speed of boat in still water and speed of current. Ratio of speed of boat in still water as to speed of current. Here speed of the boat in still water is 13, speed of the current is 2, that is 13x and 2x. Speed of current is 2x. Now we have downstream speed, speed of boat downstream. Downstream and speed of boat upstream. Speed of boat upstream. Speed of the boat downstream is addition of the 13 plus 2, 15x, and speed of the boat upstream is subtraction of these two is 11x. Speed of the boat upstream is subtraction of these two. Addition of these two is speed of the boat downstream, and subtraction of these two is speed of the boat upstream. Here now speed of the boat ratio is given. Here the boat goes downstream in 3 hours. Goes downstream in 3 hours. Then distance covered by boat. Distance covered by boat. Distance covered by boat upstream. Here, no, downstream. Downstream is equal to total hours is 3 hours, and your downstream speed is 15x. Downstream speed is 15x. Then 45x. Then boat goes 45x downstream and come back upstream. Then distance covered upstream. Boat upstream, distance covered by boat upstream is 45x. Same distance is covered. Boat goes and come back. Then distance is same. Upstream distance and downstream distance is same. Then how much time will taken to come back? Then time required for boat time required for boat upstream. Then your distance is same, 45 divided by x. Then upstream speed is 11 by x. Then x get cancelled. Then time required for boat come back upstream is 45 divided by 11. That is 1 upon 4. Your 4 upon 4 1 by 4 11. Sorry, 4 into 1 by 11 hours. Then total your upstream time required for boat come back is 4 1 by 11.